Hi, this is Lydia OT. Just wanted to share the one-handed shoe tying technique that I use. There's several different techniques out there. This is the one that I find to be easiest. So I'm going to take my shoelaces, I'm going to pull, get it nice and tight. Okay, I'm going to make a knot, regular old knot. And what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to get this sheet of paper here so there's contrast between the pink shoelaces and you can kind of see better what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm crossing, I'm making an X. The one on top, I'm going to loop underneath just to make a regular knot. Okay, I'm there. And I'm going to pull each side to get it close to the shoe. So I'm pulling to get this knot tight, get it nice and close to the shoe. So it's there at the tongue of the shoe and it's tight against my shoe. And I'm just going back and forth, pulling either one to make sure it's in the right spot. You want to keep the knot, and you really want to keep anything you're doing with these shoes, you know, anything with the laces, you want to keep it close to the base here. That'll help make sure that the shoelaces stay tight. Okay, so I'm here, and I'm going to make a loop here. Let's see if I can get this paper back here for contrast again. Okay, so I make a loop. I'm going to hold on to it. Keep it close to the base. Now I've got it here. My main two fingers that I typically use, you know, thumb and index finger. But now I'm going to pass it to some different fingers. I'm going to hold it between my ring finger and my pinky finger. You can do that, or between your middle and your ring finger, wherever feels most comfortable for you. It is a little bit awkward because this isn't really, you know, we don't typically use these fingers for grasping, but it's doable. So you've got it squished there. Now with my free fingers now, I'm going to reach over and grab the other shoelace that's hanging on the other side. Okay, so I've got that. Now I'm going to go around this loop. Okay, going around the loop. You want to keep it nice and tight, keep it close in there. And now by going around that loop, I've made this little pocket here. So I'm going to push it through there. I'm going to grab it the other side. I'm grabbing it with my ring finger and my middle finger, and I'm pulling it out while still holding onto the first loop. So now I'm there, and I'm going to grab it and pull. Grab each loop and pull to the sides. So that's it. You can grab right here and pull, you know, that way to make sure it's tight. And you can even pull, you know, there. Now I'm going to do that whole thing again so you can watch. Okay, I'm going to do it without the contrast this time. So I've got my knot. I'm going to make a knot. Knot at the base. Keep it close. Okay, then I take a loop, pass it to my other fingers, grab it, pass it to the other fingers, grab the other piece, the other lace, loop it around, and then push it through that pocket. And then pull. The first one might have been easier to see with the contrast, but that's it. Now I'm going to go to the other shoe and show you again here. Pulling to get it nice and tight. I'm making an X to make a knot, regular old knot. Alternate between going back and forth on each side to make sure that that knot is close to the base of the shoe. Okay, now I make a little bunny ear here, little loop, pass it to my other fingers. Let me get it there. Okay, got that. Now I've got these fingers free. I'm going to reach over and grab this one, loop it around, and then push it through that hole I made. Okay, I'm going to grab the other side. Then I'm going to pull those two loops apart. See that there? Those two loops are pulled apart, and I can tighten as needed. So with practice, it'll definitely get easier. Like I said, there's several different methods to do this, but this is the one that I find to be the easiest. Enjoy!